Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the most awaited gathering today. I'm extremely delighted to see you all here. Breaking the barriers all across the globe, thank you so much for reaching out and thank you for your trust in RFA Tutors. It is an immense pleasure to see you guys growing, starting from the baby steps, and yesterday when we had the workshop, I was so happy making you progress day by day, seeing you from those mistakes which you used to do, and today you were picking up their weaknesses and your friends' weaknesses that no, we have to make it a success, and this is something which we have to do. I was extremely delighted yesterday, but today is the final day, which is the most important practice for which you people have traveled. And I have full faith in you guys. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Mascarenas, and I've been an alumni of the RFA group for a few years now, and it's safe to say that my experience with RFA has been wonderful, and I hope to make Ma'am Sidra proud with all of my achievements so far. I have, and I hope to continue to do so. Love you all from RFA and everyone who's aspiring to do more.
Always natural.